If you're still flossing the old school way, you're seriously missing out. Because today's water flossers are on another level, faster, cleaner, and way more effective. I tested some of the most popular water flossers on Amazon, checked pressure levels, ease of use, travel convenience, and how well they actually clean between the teeth. These are the ones truly worth buying. All product links are in the description. You ever use a product once and instantly think, why didn't I buy this earlier? That's exactly the vibe with the Waterpik Aquarius Water Flosser, WP660. It's one of the most powerful home flossers you can get. With 10 pressure settings, 7 different tips, and a big water tank, it's designed for families or anyone who wants a deep dentist-level clean. The pulsation rate really gets between tight gaps and braces, which you can feel instantly. The downside is, it's not travel-friendly since it's a tabletop model, but if you want maximum cleaning power at home, this one is hard to beat. Check the links in the description for today's deals. If you prefer things modern, minimal, and quiet, you'll love the Philips Sonicare Power Flosser 3000. This thing uses Sonicare's quad stream technology, basically splitting the water jet into multiple streams that cover more surface area with less effort. It feels smoother and more gentle compared to Waterpik, but still gets the job done extremely well. It's perfect. If you've got sensitive gums or you hate the high pressure feeling. The trade-off is it's not quite as aggressive for deep cleaning, but for daily maintenance, it's a dream to use. Link in the description if you want to check it out. Travel a lot? Hate cables? This is the gadget you'll want. The Waterpik Cordless. Advanced 2.0 WP580 gives you Waterpik power in a portable form. It's fully waterproof, charges fast, and comes with 4 tips plus a travel bag. This is one of the best cordless flossers on the market, especially if you need something compact. Pressure isn't as strong as a full-size model, but for everyday use and travel, it's incredibly convenient. Full details and best prices are in the description. Sometimes you just want something simple, sleek, and reliable. The Quip water flosser is exactly that. It has a clean design, a 360-degree rotating tip, adjustable pressure, and a super easy refill system. It's made for people who want a flosser that looks good in the bathroom and works without hassle. It's not the most powerful, but it's insanely user-friendly and perfect for beginners or teenagers getting into better oral care. Check the link in the description for current pricing. And finally, here's something very different, and honestly, very cool. The FLAUS electric flosser is a totally new take on flossing. Instead of water pressure, it uses an electric handle with vibrating motion and replaceable floss heads. It's ideal for sensitive gums and anyone who hates the mess of water. Flossers, this even showed up on Oprah's list and Shark Tank, so it's got hype for a reason. It's not for people who prefer a water jet, but if you want a cleaner, quieter alternative, this is worth checking out. Link in the description for details. If I had to pick just one for overall performance, ease of use, and value, the Waterpik Aquarius still takes the crown. It's powerful, reliable, and gives you the closest thing to a professional cleaning at home. But depending on your lifestyle, home, travel, sensitive gums, the others may suit you even better. All the flossers featured today are linked in the description, so check them out to see the latest prices and deals on Amazon. If this video helped you out, hit like, subscribe for more honest reviews, and comment below which flosser you're thinking of getting.